A cancer patient in Abbotsford is sharing a healthcare horror story. Haley Oliver has to wait years for an important procedure. As Michelle Brunner reports, her case raises questions about whether our healthcare system has lower standards for people who live outside of Vancouver.
Haley Oliver is trying to get her strength back after surgery earlier this year. In February, she was diagnosed with breast cancer.
Wasn't expecting it at all.
She had a mastectomy at Abbotsford Regional and has already gone through chemo. She will finish radiation at the end of the year, but she's just learned reconstructive surgery is still many years away.
I'm looking at April of 2018 for a consultation with one of the surgeons in Vancouver.
And she's been told it could be 4 or 5 years before the actual surgery she's requested, known as DEP, can take place.
I was pretty upset. I basically fell apart on the phone when she told me I'm supposed to get married, and that's going to have to wait until I can get my surgery.
She says no one told her she could have reconstructive surgery at the same time as the mastectomy. Now it's too late. Fraser Health says waiting for years is not acceptable, and they've asked the surgical leadership team to review this case and follow up with the patient. In Vancouver, where the reconstructive surgery would likely take place, health authorities say wait times are usually 3 to 10 months.
A few years ago, the wait times were creeping up to about 2 years, and we felt that was unacceptable, and we did some resources towards that goal of reducing the wait time.
But one surgeon tells CTV there are still not enough surgeons and not enough operating room hours for these procedures.
We just don't have enough plastic surgeons to keep up with the demand. So a lot of the OR time is going to women that have breast cancer, and unfortunately the women that have already had their mastectomy are waiting very long periods of time.
For Haley Oliver, it means more years of anxiety even after her treatment is over. Michelle Brunner, CTV News, Abbotsford.